Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this video we'll be making yam pepper soup, Jim Miracle, and sometimes we call it mmiri uda. This pepper soup is believed to help nursing mothers snap back and to cleanse off their uterus after giving birth. It also helps in lactating. So if you're a new mom, you can try this recipe. This pepper soup is made with some spicy ingredients that will help to cleanse off your uterus, like uda, uziza, and yokriyo. The Calabar people call it uyaya also, but Igbo call it yokriyo. So you get to see the spice. I think it's called prekes in English, or is it the botanical name? I don't know. And for those that don't know, I just gave birth like 8 weeks ago. So I'm making this pepper soup basically for myself to help me snap back, lactate properly for my baby, and also if there's anything still remaining inside that stomach, to cleanse it off, and I'll be free. Please note that you don't need seasoning cube for this recipe. The stock fish and the dry fish is enough for this recipe, and this is what we call uyaya or prekes. I think it's believed to help mom snap back, especially her stomach, for it to go back to the way it used to be or a bit better. So that's it. So enjoy the rest of the video, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Please do it to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to others, like my videos as well. Please, let's connect and let's be friends. Enjoy the rest of the video one more time. So I added my stock fish and dry fish to the pot. Now allow that to cook very well so that I can get the taste of the fish that I need for the pepper soup. And this pepper soup, you need to add lots of water. You need that water, or that water will help you to lactate properly. Like I said earlier, this pepper soup is for nursing mothers, so make sure you add lots of water to it, and your fish should be very tender to get that taste, because we're not going to be using seasoning cube for this. At this point, I added my yam, my prekes, that's the yokriyo, uda and uziza that I pound behind the camera. These three ingredients are the major ingredients for this pepper soup. You can't skip it for anything. These are the ingredients that will help you lactate properly, help to cleanse off your uterus if there's anything still remaining there, and to help you snap back. So you can't skip these ingredients for anything at all. So I'm adding in this early so that you're able to infuse all the nutrients that it has into this pepper soup, so you're able to get a very nice, desirable result from this pepper soup. You can make this pepper soup as often as you want, even after 6 weeks, until your Omugwo period is over. You can keep taking this. It's a very good recipe, very good food for nursing mothers. Right now our yam is 70% cooked, so I'll be going in with the salt and black pepper. Please, when cooking this pepper soup, never you combine uda, uziza and pepper together. The reason is that these three ingredients are hot and spicy. If you combine them together, you might get choked while making the food. So I advise you go in with your uziza and uda first. Once the meal is about to get done, you can now add your pepper to it, so that you don't end up running away from the kitchen while cooking. So that's it. So I went in now to check how tender the yam is, and the yam was done. So that's it. Our Miracle yam pepper soup is ready to be consumed. Please, as a nursing mom, as a lactating mom, please take this pepper soup when it is really hot. You need to be eating it and be sweating.